What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Unlimited Hustle here, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make easy money just by completing surveys. The company that does this is called Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is an online survey app that pays you to complete surveys. And you don't have to do this on the app, you could do it on their website as well. The more surveys you do, the more money you're able to earn. So with that being said, let me dig deeper and tell you guys more about Survey Junkie. Every survey you do, you get a certain amount of points for those surveys. And then when you're done doing the surveys, you can redeem those points for money. The points you get from each survey is going to really vary. It could be as low as 30 points and it could be as high as 100 points. So it just really fluctuates based on how long the survey is and how much that company is willing to pay you to do their survey. So each point is equal to 1 penny. If you were to do a survey for 80 points, that's equivalent to 80 cents. And if you were to do a survey for 100 points, that will be equal to $1. Every point is equal to a penny. Based on my experience, each survey is going to take you about 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and it really just depends on how fast you complete the survey. What I learned is that the more you do surveys, the faster you're able to complete these surveys. So when you first start off, it might take you a little longer to complete these surveys, but after you do like 3 or 4 surveys and you get the hang of it, you get a flow, you're able to complete those same surveys in a way shorter period of time. You'll be able to earn more money in less time. Once you get up to 500 points, you'll be able to redeem those points for $5. So the minimum points you need to redeem money is $5, and you'll redeem that to a PayPal account. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Anyone could do it. You don't need any experience. All you have to do is go on the app, on their website, and answer some questions, and then just start doing a survey. The sign-up process is very simple as well. Another way to earn points is by doing in-app bonus. They'll email you bonuses. And also, if you go on the app, there's usually a bonus there. So there's other ways to make extra points, so that way you could potentially earn more money. One of the easiest bonus they have is by just being consistent. There was a bonus that reward you just by doing surveys for like 5 days consistently. So the more you're consistent, the more points you'll be able to earn, and you'll be able to redeem those bonuses. Who is this app for? This app is for someone that has a lot of extra time. So these surveys, like I said, they can take 10 to 20 minutes to complete each survey. So if you're someone with extra time on your hand, if you have a long commute or a long trip, let's say you have a flight for 10 hours or so, if you're on a road trip, this is also a good opportunity for something you could do during that downtime or during a time when you're not doing anything. Whenever you have downtime, just hop on this app, and even if you do like 3 or 4 a day, over time, that'll definitely add up, and you could potentially, earn money doing that. I like these type of things because it doesn't cost you any money to make money. All you need is your time. So if you could just dedicate, an hour or 2 a day, that could add up into something. While doing some research online, I've seen a bunch of positive reviews on this. A lot of people are saying that they made money by doing this. A lot of people are saying that they made hundreds of dollars by doing this during their downtime. And I definitely think that's true. Yes, it does take time for that points to add up, but there is potential to make some good money. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to complete the surveys way faster. So here's my pros and cons about Survey Junkie. Pros is it's easy money. All you need is to dedicate some time to it, and you'll be able to make money. And like I said, anyone could do it. No matter your age, no matter where you are, location-wise, anyone could do it. Another thing I like about Survey Junkie is that there's bonus opportunities. There are times when they send me emails to get back on and do some surveys, maybe 5 days in a row, and they'll give you some extra bonus. Or if you just simply go on the app, it's another way for you to get some bonus as well. The things I don't like about Survey Junkie is it is time consuming. You really have to be dedicated to this. It's something that you'll probably have to put in like an hour or 2 a day to really see some money and to really add those points up. So you do need time. If you're someone with a busy day, long days at work, then this is not for you. But if you have some extra time on your hand, then definitely you could complete some surveys and you'll be able to make money. Personally, to me, I found it to be draining. Just by doing, I got tired after doing like 2 or 3 surveys. I did get tired, so I have to I have to pace myself, not do too much back to back. I have to maybe one every hour or something like that, so where I'm not drained. Another con is that the payout is low. It doesn't pay well unless unless you're putting in hours every day. If you're just doing 1 survey a day, then you're probably not gonna make a lot of money. But if you're someone that's able to spend hours on this app or website, you will be able to make a couple $100s consistently. Another thing I don't like about this app, which is that you don't always qualify for the survey. So before a survey, they're going to ask you some pre-qualifying questions about your personal self, and based on those questions, you might not be qualified for that particular survey. Another thing, it is boring and it is a lot of questions. So it's not something fun or entertaining. You're going to be bored, and it is draining and long. So, just be prepared that, it is a lot of questions in those 10, 20 minutes, and it is boring. But, we're just doing it for the money. We're not looking for entertainment anyway. So to sign up, just download the App Store, Survey Junkie. Pretty simple sign up process. How much you can make really depends on how much work you put in. Like I said, if you put in a few hours a day, then every month you could probably make a couple $100s. So it really just depends on how much time you put into it. It's one of those things, you have to put in time to see results. Whether it's worth it or not really depends on that person. It goes back to, do you have time on your hands? If you're someone that works long shifts, you're tired after work, then this is probably not something for you. But if you're someone that has extra time throughout the day, then this is definitely a good opportunity to make extra money on the side. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and leave a comment. Let me know your experience with Survey Junkie.